All right, welcome everyone. This is our project. I'm Sridhar.
I'm Om.
I'm Vibu.
And I'm Alec.
So to run the project, this is how you should have the directory structured. And once you go in your environment, you just run py4web.sh and you should have a web page. This is our landing page. You have to make an account, or if you already have an account, log in.
All right, so when you log in, the first page you're going to see is the home screen. And on the home screen, you're going to see a map located at around where you live. And on the map, you see a heat map of where all the of the density of birds seen. And something we can do is if you scroll down, you could search for a specific species or scroll down. So let's just say if you search for sparrow, yeah, click on any sparrow, and if you scroll up, you see it filter the map and click on another sparrow. As you can see, there's no sparrows in this area. And yeah, you see it updates, it filters by species. And if you want to just see all the species again, just click on the green button, or yeah. No, you have to click on the green button. Search of sparrow.
Oh, uncheck it. Okay. You have to unclick
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. And yeah, that's how the map works. And let's say you want to add your own sighting into the map. What you do is you click on the marker button. And wherever you're looking for birds, just press it wherever. And you see a button to add a checklist here. So yeah, let's add a checklist.
Okay, so you click on add a checklist. You can search a species, let's say sparrow again, Lincoln sparrow. I saw one of them. I want to add a bell sparrow, so I add two of them, and then let's do a hawk. Let's do three of them. So you can add a checklist, and then the count for each bird. You can search them or scroll through them. On the right, you see the birds you selected, an option, the count, and the option to remove them. So if you remove a bird, it goes away, and then its count becomes 0. You can add it again, and then you see it there. After that, you add a date. Let's say I saw it on the 9th, and then the time I saw it. So 10, 12, let's say 10 a.m. And you submit the checklist. Once you submit the checklist, you can view your checklists in My Checklist. Here you see the date you added, time, the latitude and longitude of your checklist. You can expand it, see all the different birds and its count, like so. There's nothing for you. You can delete a checklist. It prompts you, okay, checklist deleted. If you wish to edit it, you say you saw two brown-headed nuthatch, so you make it 1, you click on edit, all your data gets pre-populated, you change it to 1, or you decrement it, and then you submit it again. And then you go check confirm. Yeah, the values get updated. Are we going my birding?
Yep, sounds good. So this is where you can see the stats of the birds that you've seen. So on the left-hand side, these are all the birds that you've seen. So right now you've only seen 5 birds so far. And as you can see, when you click on the bird, you get a location and on the map that shows you exactly where you saw that bird. And it also shows you underneath that a graph of the bird sightings over time. And so you can see the date and the amount of birds that you saw on a specific day. Now you can search in the search bar on the top left, right there, for any specific bird that you want. For example, the great cormorant, and you can see that it automatically completes it, and you can click on it and see exactly where it is. And then on the right-hand side, as you can see, there's a graph that shows your total bird watching trend over time. And so this is all the birds that you've seen over the entirety of your bird watching career. So yeah.
All right, so the last thing we're going to look at is the location page. So if you look at our map right here and you wanted to see some specific stats on a certain region in the area, going to click on that little square on the left, and you can draw out a rectangle, which will be the area that you want to look at. So then you click on the statistics on region button. It'll bring you to this page over here. And it'll show you on the left all the species that anyone has seen in that area. And that's, you can scroll through and see all the other ones. This is sorted by the total amount of sightings. And then you can see on the right also, or when you click on something, a little graph shows up, which will show you when people have submitted sightings of them over time. And you can see the top contributors for the region, which will show you who's submitted the most checklists in that area. And yeah, that's the statistics page.
So that's the bird app. Thank you.